Alright, Ford Fusion 2016. Trying to remove uh, the thing there, the cover. A special kind of idiot made this thing. So this thing goes in there, and it's dark and it's difficult to see what the hell is going on. So it got this kind of a clip. The other one exposed, the clip goes in with the screw, that's fine. And the other screw is right there, and it's like, how the hell anyone's gonna remove this? Some kind of a special, disgusting idiot made this stupid, really idiotic looking plastic piece. So the screw is attached to this push-in clip, but it's difficult to know whether it's a push-in clip or what the hell is going on. And there's no way to remove that screw. So this plastic piece right here, once it's coming out, you can see, oh, okay, you just push this in right here, push out, and you can remove this this piece here. Then the screw will be exposed. So I have to use this kind of special kind of screwdriver, but all that is just like push out. But if you pull too hard, like it might break. So you gotta use this kind of tool to go and ply out. But now that it came out and I see this, oh my goodness, this ridiculous plastic piece, and why they make the hidden screw or this thing there like that, it's just amazing. The rest of the thing is just a bunch of these push pins, and this is like a special thing, and it confused the hell out of everybody. So here it is. There's the push-in piece, and this is the other one, the push-in, the mount for screw to screw in. So this is the whole thing. Yeah, I got it removed now. Like little thing like this is just so disgusting and annoying. Like special kind, all kinds of special idiots exist in the world. It shows, and the things they make. They exist in these, big fancy companies and this and that. I don't know how they got to make these things, and they make trouble for everybody. So this thing here, for example, we have this thing. Hold on a second. Let me get this cover out. Okay, what was I trying to show you? I think it's yeah, this cover. I don't know where it came out from. I'm trying to show you that they hide this piece. Oh, okay, I know where it is now. Yeah, inside, like this. Like, okay. Look, why the heck this ridiculous piece, they have to put it here? Well, what is the purpose of this thing? It's just to hide this stupid screw? Give some kind of mystery to somebody? Why can't they just leave this open? A thing like this, they hiding the little screw and bolt here and there, and it's completely unnecessary thing. Those kinds of things exist all over the car, and nobody cares. The customer, like, do you really care? Like, you got the screw hitting and it's a bolt hitting that's gonna make the car more beautiful. It just gives trouble to people. These are the devil's trade. These are the low lives, like really stupid people who think they're smart by putting things like that. So, all right, I just wanna end the video here. The hiding things unnecessarily with the evil intention, that's like a disgusting mentality. It doesn't make you smart, it just makes you a special idiot.